Namaste. In the unorganized sector, basically I am going to talk, and unorganized sector are so many industries like I start with the security organization, facility organization, housekeeping organization, organization based on construction work, real estate, and so on. What happens in these organizations? Systems are not made. Maybe because of their financial condition, maybe because they are having good financial, but they are not the system lover, system savvy. श्रीवास्तव साहब, जो चल रहा है उसको चलने दीजिए, दूसरा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Like I myself put my effort that MD was basically extracting the information from the peon, pantry boy, canteen man, drivers, a very ancient system to extract the information. So the industry which I have named, these kind of the happenings are still happening, though there is the improvement. I am talking to you 2001 and 2, 3, 4 and onward. What I have experienced working in the unorganized sector, that they don't trust the system. They trust the information given by peon, information given by drivers, information given by undercover agent like canteen man. And the trust, though they may be half right, half wrong, but they trust a lot, 100%. I developed I am saying I because I have developed the MIS system. Sir, the information which you are taking, there is the biasness, and because of the biasness, you are losing your temper to the concerned officer or executive, and the intern persons are getting frustrated or feels misbehaved, and they go out of the organization. Thus, we are losing the good people, and we are having the half-cooked people who are not much beneficial. Doing so, the business of organization used to suffer. When right person is not there, then the methodology applied to get the work done is the not acceptable, not profit making, not result oriented. Quality is destroyed because good people walked out, professional people walked out, and then 10 people went to 10 places and 10 places given to 10 people, and thus a chain is created, and the people started talking bad about the organization, and then brand is screwed. So it becomes difficult to do the business. So change the pattern very patiently, making a study that this system, manual system, old system, ancient system is not good for the health of the organization, then business affects. Second thing is that who are the, I am repeating that who are the now balanced people, that is they are not able to run the business. So organization business is at stake. Then what happens? This management, unorganized management, who don't know much about the management system, management style, they came out and said that भाई बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा है तो जो भी ब्रांचेस हमारी ओपन हो रही हैं उनको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी हम नहीं दे सकते हैं. सेकेंड लेवल मैनेजमेंट स्टार्टेड सेइंग दैट हमारा बिजनेस इतना ही हो रहा है, हम इतना ही इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे सकते हैं. लेट मी से वेरी ओपनली with the louder message that even sitting arrangement for the vendors were not available at the branch level. कोई यहाँ बैठ रहा है, कोई वहाँ बैठ रहा है, कोई एम्प्लॉय की चेयर पे बैठ रहा है, कोई क्या भाई, एनी लेट इट बी वेंडर when coming from some distance, then he or she will be willing at least to be offered a chair, a stool, a sitting, but these were also not available. Then argument of the management that when organization is not doing business and if branches are made but they are not doing business, then we cannot spend on the infrastructure development. Branch infrastructure means what? Very first thing again I will say that sitting arrangement, chair, stool, desk, whatever may be, not there. Proper tables are not there. Lamps are not there, or light arrangement is not proper. Sitting arrangement are inappropriate. Washing, cleaning, these things are not available. And if complaint goes to the MD, he says that if branches are not working, I cannot give the infrastructure. So infrastructure will be given only when the branches are giving sound business, sound revenue. So these kind of the situation started coming, and ultimately it was owner of the company who started losing, and he become the hyper. He become in the market. People started calling very unethical management, because if a person is coming, as per your policy you are not giving him a glass, cup. Trust me, these are the not the made lecture. These are the on the reality ground I am talking to you. श्रीवास्तव जी, वेंडर को चाय पिलाना हो लेकिन नीचे चले जाइए, पिला करके चले आइए, एंड मनी यू हैव टू पे. Do you feel this is the organization? Our organization will run right like this? No. Doing the business, voluminous business or poor business is your concern. Your means management, MD and owners concern. But whatever infrastructure should be provided to the branch level, you go to any security organization who are doing manpower deployment, securities, what they are doing? They are having very poor branch. If any person comes to visit, very awkward situations arises. Go to any housekeeping organization, in a small corner they manage everything, and let me say they manage to unmanage, because उसको मैनेज करने के बाद भी बहुत ही सेवी कंडीशंस होते हैं. कोई आया है, खड़े खड़े ही बात कर रहे हैं, खड़े खड़े किसी के डेस्क पे जाकर के लेटर लिख के हम चले गए. एक कप चाय मौजूद नहीं रहेगी, एक गिलास पानी नहीं मौजूद रहेगा. एंड आंसर, इफ द क्वेश्चन गॉन टू द मैनेजमेंट, they will say that I can provide the infrastructure including cup, saucer and glass if doing business. This is not ethical. You are hiding your own weakness. You are not connected to your brand. You are not working to your image. So this will not work out. You give bare minimum infrastructure to the branch, Receptionist is there irrespective to how many people are there. It is lady receptionist or male receptionist, irrespective to that, person should be there. If anyone comes on the gate itself, he get bugged up, यार किससे बात करूं किससे ना बात करूं. So take care of all these things and change the concept from your mind that if branches are not doing business, then minimum bare infrastructure will not be provided. No, please keep your nose high and high. Don't do this kind of the practices in the organization. Doing business is your KRA of the MD and directors, and running the business is the KRA of the branch people. Thank you very much. Hope unorganized sector will take a call on my this training session and on my this appeal. Thank you very much.